Most people assume all banks are basically the same, but the surprising truth is that Huntington Bank offers unique features that can make a real difference depending on your banking needs. Huntington is known for its free checking accounts with no monthly fees if you meet certain activity requirements. That's a big plus for anyone tired of hidden charges. They also offer an asterisk-free account, which means no minimum balance requirements and no surprise fees. Most people get this wrong by assuming all free checking accounts have the same limitations. Huntington is actually more transparent. Another standout feature is the rewards checking account. You can earn up to 6% annual percentage yield APY on balances up to 15,000 if you meet certain debit card, direct deposit, and e-statement requirements. Most big banks don't offer this level of interest for regular checking accounts, so it's worth considering if you can consistently meet the requirements. Huntington also provides an intuitive mobile app with easy check deposits, bill pay, and budgeting tools. You won't believe what happens next. Their customer service is highly rated, with in-branch, online, and phone support that's responsive and knowledgeable, something many people overlook when choosing a bank. One downside is that Huntington is mostly regional in the U.S., so if you travel frequently or move states, access to physical branches could be limited. However, ATM fees are reimbursed nationwide, which mitigates that issue. The surprising truth is that Huntington isn't just for local customers. They offer strong digital banking tools and rewards programs that rival larger national banks. If you use the account strategically, you can earn interest, avoid fees, and benefit from excellent service. Overall, Huntington Bank is solid for anyone looking for transparent fees, good rewards, and user-friendly digital tools. Subscribe for more honest banking reviews so you can choose the best account for your financial needs.